our tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete our buyer's account. So the first step you need to do is go here in your profile, and in your profile you need to go here in the option of settings. So you pick the settings, and now you need to go in this left side of the page in the option of account. So in this account, you need to go to the option of security. So you need to pick here, and now you need to go down to the last two options in the account management. You got two options: disable account or delete account. So you need to put in delete account. The only thing you need to do is click and delete, and you after that you need to confirm you want delete your account, and that's it. It's an easy process to do, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.